Namaste. Good afternoon. Okay, good morning for Deepa. Here we are, Ambuja. Here, Deepa, Deepti, Divya. Okay, Shivadat. Shivadat, your video not on. Srividya. All of you sit down comfortably with your back straight. Let us begin with the asana prayer. Sit with your back straight, head erect. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and loose. Keep your hands at the Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra on your knees. Deepti, you can off the microphone. Okay, thank you. Quickly settle down for the practice. Keep your eyes closed. Become aware of your physical body sitting on the floor with fully comfortably. Now gently bring your attention inside your nostril and experience the breath moving inside your nostril. And begin to count your breath 5 rounds. It's normal breathing. Do not try to deep or long breath. It should be natural breathing. Just aware about your breath and begin to count up to 5. You mentally say, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. 1, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. 2, like this, so on to 5. Feel yourself, you're becoming more relaxed, more than before. Now shift your awareness on eyebrow center. Concentrate on eyebrow center. The point in between your 2 eyebrows. The third eye. And visualize this center like a candle flame. Looking on the flame, chant the mantra Om 3 times. Breathe in. चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेनां योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Slowly rub your palms together. Relax your eyes and gently, few blinks, open your eyes. Now slowly you stand up from the mat, come to Samasthiti. Come to one end of the mat with the feet together. Exhale completely and tight your abdomen in. Inhale, raise your hands sideways. Exhale, join your palms in Namaste. Keep your elbows parallel to the floor. Keep your eyes closed. In front of your closed eyes, now visualize the sun, a beautiful sun. Early morning, rising sun behind the mountains. Looking at the sun, chant the prayer. Om Hiranmayena Patrenam Satyasya Bihidam Mukham Tattvam Bhushannam Pavrano Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Om. Open your eyes, exhale. 2, inhale, hands up. 3, exhale. 4, right leg back, inhale, look up. 5, exhale, Parvadasana. 6, hold the breath, knee, chest, chin down. 6, Ashtanga Namaskara. 7, inhale, Bhujangasana. 8, exhale, Parvadasana. 9, inhale, left leg front. 10, exhale, feet together. 11, inhale, hands up. 12, exhale, Namaste. Inhale, Padahastasana. 4, left leg back. Inhale, look up. 5, exhale, Padahasana. 6, hold the breath. No, inhale, slowly bend your knee, chest, chin down. 7, inhale, Bhujangasana. 8, exhale, Parvadasana. 9, right leg front. Inhale, look up. 10, exhale, head down to your knee. 11, inhale, slightly bend back. 12, exhale, relax. Normal breathe 3 times. This is complete 1 round. Second round. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, inhale, right leg. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10, exhale. 11, inhale. 12, exhale. Left side. 1, 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, inhale, left. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 12, exhale. 11, inhale. 12, exhale. Breathe normally. Third round. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, inhale, right leg. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left side, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale. Left leg, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold the breath, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Normal breathing. Practice 3 rounds with the Bija mantra. I am not saying inhale, exhale. I just chant Bija mantra. So you repeat the mantra mentally. So 12 Bija mantra. 1. Om Ram. Start. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Right leg. Om Hrom. Parvadasana. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Left side. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Left leg. Om Krum. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Relax. Breathe normally. Practice. Sit down. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Left. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Relax. Breathing normally. 3 times. 6 down. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Hrim. Om. Om Taha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om. Om Hrim. Om Krum. Om Taha. Relax. Breathe normally. Now 6 more rounds. In this 6th round, you do it a little bit slowly. Separate your feet. Make your feet parallel to the floor. And practice Ujjayi breathing. Good. From now, I will chant the mantra, a long mantra, Surya Namaskara mantra, 12 mantras. When I start Om, you start the poster, and Namaha in the final poster. When I start Om, you come from the poster, go to the next poster. Like this, you flow with the mantra without any breaking. Continue Ujjayi breathing, long and deep breathing. 1. Om Mitsraya Namaha. 2. Om Deve Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Right leg. Om Bhanave Namaha. This time let it go deeper. Touch your knee, back knee on the floor. And come on your fingertip. Little bit rise your chest up. Om Bhana, Om Kakhaya Namaha. Parvadasana. Always touch your head down without bend your elbow. Om Kushane Namaha. Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Cobra. Bhujangasana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Marichaye Namaha. Parvadasana. Parvadasana. Om Adityaya Namaha. Ashwasanjalanasana. Touch your finger on the floor, side of your heel. Om Savitre Namaha. Padahastasana. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Hastauttanasana. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Mitsraya Namaha. Om Dave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Left side. Om Bhanave Namaha. Left leg. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Parvadasana. Not stick pose. Not Dandasana. Parvadasana. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Visranti, breathe normally. Eighth round. Om Putraya Namaha. Om Deve Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Right leg. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Bhaskraya Namaha. Mitsraya Namaha. Left side. Dave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Left leg. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Visranti. Normal breathing. 9. Om Mitsraya Namaha. Om Dave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskraya Namaha. Mitsraya Namaha. Om Deve Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arthaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya Namaha. Visranti, 3 normal breath. Now 3 more rounds. Last 3 rounds. Make your posters more beautiful, more stretching. Om Vichaya Namaha. Om Devaye Namaha. Same posters, do it more beautiful. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arthaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya Namaha. Vichaya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arghaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya Namaha. Visranti. Stop Ujjayi, breathe in normally. 11. Om Vishwaya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arghaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya Namaha. Vichaya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arghaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya Namaha. Visranti, breathe normally. Last round, do your best. Make every poster to the maximum. Om Vichwaya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arghaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya Namaha. Visaya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arghaya Namaha. Om Bhaskiraya. Slowly sit down on the mat and keep your head for complete body relaxation. Lay down Shavasana with your head where you face to sun salutation. Just for complete body relaxation. It's for the experience, the effect of Surya Namaskara on your body, the physical mental body. Now start to rotate your mind through different parts of your body. Relax your each and every body part mentally. Your mind move through different parts according to my instruction. For example, if I say your toes, just feel your toes. Think about your toes. Mentally say, relax your toes. Then go to the next part. Like this, you're going to move your mind through different parts of your body. Begin from your toes, feel your toes and relax your toes mentally. Feel your feet, heels, ankles, shin bone, calf muscles, knees. Relax your thigh muscles, hip joint. Relax your buttocks muscles. Relax your lower back, middle back, upper back, the whole spinal. Relax your shoulder blade. Feel your fingers, relax, use your fingers, palms, back of your palm, wrist joint, forearm, elbow, upper arm, armpit, shoulder. Become aware your navel, relax your abdomen, relax your chest, move your awareness up your throat, chin, lips, teeth, tongue. Relax your facial muscles, ears, nose, nostril, right nostril, left nostril, tip of your nose, bridge of your nose, eyes, eyebrows, eyebrow center, forehead, right side of the head, left side of the head, back of the head, top of the head. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body. For more relaxation for your entire body, let us chant Aum Makara in a single breath. Inhale and deep yoga breath. Inhale. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation for the entire body. Slowly now begin to move your fingers, toes, move your head from side to side. Slowly, you can turn your body to the right side. Gently sit up. When you're ready, slowly open the eyes and look at the screen. Today we're going to practice Shirshasana. Today asana named Shirshasana. Shirshasana you can do in two ways. One is Shalabha Shirshasana and Nirlabha Shirshasana. Shalabha Shirshasana means with the support of your hand. Nirlabha means is no support. Your hands are free. So for this, we need to learn first Shalabha Shirshasana. Then from the Shalabha Shirshasana, when all the body weight you're bearing on the head, once your neck getting strong enough, you can relax your hand. It's become Nirlabha Shirshasana. So the hands position for the first learning, you must keep your hands in a triangle pose. Equal triangle. Okay. All the angle of triangle should be 60 degrees. So the elbow form like a triangle, not too close, not too wide. Okay. Exactly equal. So this is very important. The 3-point is very important. Elbows and your wrist. Okay. You can keep your hands together, palms together, more strong, like this. And keep your head exactly your wrist and back of your head and the center of the head on the floor, top of the head. Actually, when you full Shirshasana, you feel a coin like a 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. Only that much part you feel the weight, not entire head. For beginning, you feel all the weight on your head. You feel like your head going to break. But when you practice, gradually improve, you feel a 1 rupee coin point. Exactly on that point, you feel the weight. You have to go step by step. First, you do the Shalabha Shirshasana with interlock your fingers. And the first step is just put your head down and slowly straight your knee. And gently, step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3 is just lift your toes from the floor and keep your knee always close to your chest. Okay, the knee and thighs and your abdomen should be close to your body. And the 4th step only, you rise your leg slowly up, your knee come to parallel to the floor. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 step is your toes point backward down and knee point to the ceiling. And the 6th pose is you come to complete straight Shirshasana. Okay, so we have totally 6 poses. Don't go to Shirshasana by jumping or by forcefully like dynamically. You should go by slowly, step by step. You have to feel each and every step. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. It's totally 6 steps. And the 7th step is you coming back, returning to the posture. So when you're learning Shirshasana time, you can practice normal breathing. Otherwise, you can hold the breath, like inhale and hold the breath and go to stage 1, then exhale, next inhale, go to the next stage and exhale, and next inhale, go to next stage, like this. When you hold the breath, you can move your body. And when you reach the final posture, you breathe normally. And Shirshasana, you should not practice if you have a neck problem, or if you have any headache, a migraine, high blood pressure, heart disease, clotting in the blood, blockage in the blood. You should do empty bowel. Okay, make sure your bowels are empty. Don't do with the chronic constipation, kidney problems, and weak eyes problem. Also, you feel pressure on the eyes. If you feel any weak blood vessel in the eye, should not practice Shirshasana. Glaucoma people also cannot do, and inflammation in the ear also cannot do this practice. And should not do when you're in the pregnancy time, on menstruation time. So actually the last posture, when you, in the final posture of headstand, you feel only weight on the head, not feel any weight on the hands. Gradually you have to distribute all the weight on the head. From the beginning you feel a lot of weight on the hand, support of your hand, you go to the posture. Once you achieve the balance, you can release your fingers, can relax your wrist, relax your elbows. So it's often you maybe fall down. You fall down, you keep your body like should be relaxed as much possible, relax the body. When you feel to fall down, immediately bend your knee to your chest and touch your chin on your chest. Then you feel freely fall down. So when you feel to fall down, immediately bend your knees. So it will reduce the impact. Okay. So there are a lot of preparation for the practice of Shirshasana. You can do Shirshasana on the help of the wall from the beginning. So before going to actual Shirshasana, we do some half movement, Ardha Shirshasana movement with a different hand position. It's to help you to strengthen your neck. Okay. So first we do, I will demonstrate. First you keep your hands. Yeah. Keep your hands to take. Fine. Keep your hands side of your knee. First posture, this half headstand, head down, exhale, and rise your knee up. Okay. Come to this posture and slowly, all the weight on your head, and leave your hand slowly. Just straighten your hand. 1. Okay. Then keep your palm face up. 2. Then you give different movements. And 3. You come forward and keep your palm finger point backward. 4. Close your elbows like this. Or you can do this. If you're tired, come back and relax sometime. Okay. So first of all, you do separately. First, you keep your hand side of your knee and head down, and rise your knees up. Stay here for 5 breaths. Okay. So you do only that one. First, you keep your hand side of your knee and lift your buttocks up. Stay there 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Bend your knee, come back down. Okay. So Srividya, you keep your elbow up 90 degree. Okay. Your forearm should be 90 degree. Okay. And next one, you keep your hand back. Palm face down. Face down. Yeah, turn back. Yes. And slowly keep your head down. Top of that. Keep your hands straight. So keep your hands straight, head on the floor, and slowly rise your knee up. Inhale. So keep your hands straight backward. Good. And you walk, Divya, you keep your hand, touch your toes with your fingers. Touch your toes with your fingers. And walk towards your fingers. Walk towards your fingers and keep your buttocks up, more up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knee, come back down, relax. Good. And next to you, keep your palm face up. Okay, now you keep your palm face down. Kept your palm. The next one, keep your palm face up. Keep your palm face up and head down, top of the head down. And use your wrist for strengthen and straighten your knee out. So this time your wrist, you have to use your wrist power. Keep your palm face up and use your wrist power to lift your knee up. So DP, you take care, don't twist sideways. Your neck should be straight. Don't look sideways when you do headstand. Keep looking on your nose. 2, 3, and Chaitra, you need to walk forward. Keep your buttocks up. Without bend your knee, without bend your knee, need to walk forward, slowly. And keep your neck straight line with your head. Don't round your neck. Come back, slowly exhale. So the important thing is you always check your chin. Your chin should be parallel to the floor. If you chin down, that means your neck is round. So it's not good. Keep your chin always parallel to the floor. Don't touch your chin on your chest. Don't touch your chin on your chest. Not like a Sarvangasana. Your chin should be parallel. Okay. So next one, you keep your palms face backward and elbows together. Okay, elbows together. Head on the floor, exhale. Your finger point backward and elbow closer, and put the head in front of the body, front of your palm, on the top of the head, round, yes. Exhale, and inhale, lift your knees up. Divya, you keep your, Divya, you come down. Keep your elbow closer, together, and finger point backward. Finger point backward. Yes, correct. And your elbow should not touch on your abdomen. No, this is not Hamsasana. Chaitra, you need to walk forward. Rise your buttocks up. Don't touch your elbow on your abdomen. Yeah. And Deepa, you bend your elbows. Bend your elbows. Bend your elbows. 90 degree. 3, 4. And Shiva, you keep your fingers together. Join your fingers together. Very good. Excellent. Come back. Exhale. Come back. Relax. One more posture. You have to hold your elbows like this. Okay. So keep your elbows closer and keep your head in front of your hand. Keep your hand closer and head on the front. Yeah, your elbow close to your knee. Keep your elbow close to your knee first. Yeah, and your head in front of your elbow. Keep the top of the head. Exhale. Use the elbow strengthen. This is practice. Strengthen your elbow. Lift your knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Okay, now you can check your the strength of your neck without any hand support. Try to lift your knee up like this.
Excuse me.
I don't have my hand on the floor.
Just touch your head and keep your hands on the back of all your wrist. Exhale. Strong neck. Inhale, lift your knee up.
If you can do this, it means you have very good strong neck.
Exhale up.
Okay. So this is without any hand support. Try to lift your buttocks up.
Excuse me.
Only
Sir.
those who have a strong neck can do this. If you have any neck pain or any problem with the neck, try this. This is just for checking the strength of your neck. Okay. Yeah, please, Shiva.
Yes. Sir, what was the first movement? Second one was keeping your palm down. Third one was keeping palm up. Fourth one was keeping like this way,
Yes.
elbow together. Fifth one and sixth we are doing right now. First one, what was the first one?
First one like this.
Okay.
Second one, hand back.
Okay, correct, sir.
Third one like this. Fourth one like this. Fifth one like this. And sixth one, you hand on the back and slowly lift your knee up.
Okay.
You need to practice these 6 techniques to strengthen your neck. It's very good preparation for the Shirshasana. Can you try? Top of the head on the floor. Exhale and inhale, lift your knees up. Without touch your hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Come back without touch your hand down. Come back without touch your hand down. Good, very good. Now Shiva, Ambuja, Divya, Krishnan. Okay. You can go, you can stay there only. Others people slowly go to the wall, near the wall. Yeah, you find a wall nearby you. Okay. Okay. Shiva, you can do on the center. Ambuja also you can try on the center of the room. No need a wall. I think if you not comfortable, you can go near the wall.
Sir, sir, can I try in the center? Because I have done before. So can I try?
On the wall, right?
No, center without support.
You can try. If you confident, you can do on the middle of the room.
Okay.
Others people go to near the wall. I will show you.
Sir, can I try?
Or you can practice this 6 technique again. If you have any problem, continue practice this one. Okay, everybody can see? Can hear? You can use my. Okay, you can look at the another window. So everybody can see now. So keep very close to the wall. Okay, touch your fingers on the wall and make sure the space. Don't move too much. Okay. Keep the space exactly like a triangle, and keep the top of the head on the floor. Strong wrist joint. Wrist joint should be very strong. Elbow should be stronger. Down. Lift up. Walk forward. Okay. You're not able to touch your back on the wall. Otherwise, just keep like this. Just for support. First step, lift your legs together up. Stay here. Second step, slowly lift your feet up. Third, slowly touch your toes on the wall. And final process, straight your legs one by one. You touch your heels on the wall. And gradually take one leg out, another leg out to balance. Once you feel to lose the balance, you can touch the toes on the wall. Slowly straight your body. And come back the same way. Let's bend your knees. Keep your knees close to your chest.
Come back. And relax. Don't come up immediately. Relax sometime. Slowly come up. Okay. So go close to the wall and practice. So those who are doing in the middle of the room, when
You can open. Those who do in middle of the room, make sure there is nothing to hurt your body, no furniture in front of your body. Once you feel to fall down, simply bend your knee towards your chest and touch your chin on your chest and roll simply. Okay. Exhale, very good. Try to keep your knees together. This is Shivadat. Now you fall down. When you fall down, keep your knee close to your chest. Don't raise your knee. Otherwise, you'll bump your back. When you feel to fall down, that moment you just lower your knee down. Okay. And Ambuja, you can go close to the wall. Now, either you go close to the wall, very close, more close. Okay. Otherwise, you can do middle of the room. Deepa, you practice one leg touch your chest first, knee touch your chest, breathe some time, and change your leg, another leg, like this. You strengthen your abdomen, core muscle. Ambuja, you go close to the wall. That's better for you. Go closer, close to the wall. Yes. Shiv, when you fall down, bend your knee immediately to the chest.
Sir, actually, my core is not supporting.
So the moment you should know when you fall down, then you immediately bend your knee towards your chest. That's important. You should know when you're going to fall down.
Right.
Good try, Ambuja. Good. Try to stay there. Keep your legs together. Point your toe upward. Full engage your knee. Good. Good. Once you get the strength, Deepa, you can lift both legs together. Or you can do one by one also. Okay, one by one. You try one by one with a kick. One, two, three, kick up and touch your both legs, both heels on the wall. You may need a small. Okay, so practice step by step. Good. Now you can try another way. It's called tripod. Tripod. You keep your hands side of your knee. You can see it from this side. Exhale.
Head down. Then lift your knees up. And slowly take your one leg on your elbow. Another leg. The halfway. From this posture, breathe normally. Once you feel comfortable with this pose, slowly try to lift your one leg up. Come back, exhale, and try another leg. And slowly, gradually, you can lift both legs together, one by one, or straight. Or you stay here, in this pose. Breathe normal. Touch your toes together. From the half, extend.
Okay, you try it right this way. So now you can come in the middle of the room. It's called tripod. Make your like a tripod. Your palm side of your knee, finger point forward. Good. And you imagine a triangle in front of your body and keep the head on the top of the triangle. The top of the triangle. So elbows straight 90 degree. Exhale. Inhale, lift your knee, hold the breath. And Sri Vidya, your palm little back. Your palms beside your knee. Beside your knee. Good. Now one leg up, one leg on your elbow, right leg on right elbow, left leg on left elbow. Excellent. Right leg on right elbow, left leg on left, and touch your toes together. This is called tripod headstand. This is first step of Nirlabha Shirshasana. And Diba, you keep your finger point forward, outside of your knee, outside your knee, yes. Top of the head on the floor. Now Divya, you can lift one leg up, inhale. Excellent. One leg straight your knee. Don't bend your spinal, just straight your knee. Knee straight. Ambuja, your palm beside your knee. No, Ambuja, you're not correct. Palm back. Palms, yes, now correct. Good. One leg, another leg. Very good. Touch your toes together. Do some breathing there. Breathe normally. Exhale. Now inhale, hold the breath. Rise your one leg up. Inhale, hold the breath. Rise your one leg up. Okay. And Divya, you straight your knee straight. Straight your knee. Straighten. Good. Ambuja, you keep distance from the wall now. Otherwise, you might hit your back on the wall. Good. Chaitra, you're doing good. Stay there. Don't rush. Stay, breathe normally. Excellent. And Diva, lift your one leg first. One leg on your elbow. Point your toes backward. Good. And slowly another leg. Deepthi, your palms little back, side of your knee. Your palms beside your knee. Good job. Yes. Yeah. It should be, your elbow should be straight 90 degree. Correct. Exhale. Those who are comfortable, try to lift one leg first, like Ambuja, very good. Straight your knee. Don't bend your spinal. Keep your leg straight line with your spinal. If you bend, you will lose your balance. And point your toes up. Point your toe up. Your left toe up. Left toe up. Yes, very good. Point up. Beautiful. Now exhale. Inhale, hold the breath and lift up. Good. Shiv doing good. Once you get balance, try to straight your hand like a second step. Straight your hand, straight your elbow, back, front of your body. Shiv can straight your hand. Slowly, straight your elbow. Not sideways, straight on the mat, Hands on the mat. Gradually practice. Deepti, one leg up first. Yeah, touch your toes together. Touch your toes together. Don't raise your legs now. You had to stay that pose at least a 5 breath. Don't try to rush to rise your legs up. Touch your toes together and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale, lift your leg up. Inhale, hold the breath. And don't raise your head immediately. Don't be hurry. Slowly. Take some time in Shashangasana and slowly rise your head up. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
You keep practicing. Once you practice finish, you relax in Shashangasana sometime. Then you relax in Shavasana. Okay, continue practice. Like this way. You can choose which position you feel comfortable. Maybe like some people feel comfortable like this. You practice with this until you are master on this. Or some people feel comfortable tripod. You can choose either 2 pose. You keep practicing until complete balance, at least for 10 breaths. Okay, let us conclude now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Both the position, but I am not able to do it with smoothness. Uh, a jerk is there when I'm going into posture or when I'm coming down.
Yeah,
Jerk is involved.
in between the posture, you come down and relax and do another one. No need to do one stretch. You do one by one, one by one. So this 6 step you practice every day. 1, 2, 3,
Like
4, 5, and 6 hand back. Okay, this is the practice for strengthening your neck, and it will help you to do Shirshasana more easy. Then you go near the wall and practice with the help of the wall. Then come to middle of the room, practice with the tripod or like this. Both you can try. So some people feel easy this one, tripod. Some people feel comfortable with this one. So you can choose
feel
anyone.
comfortable in some. Okay, thank you.
Continue practice. Om Sarve Bhavantu Suginaha Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kasyid Dukkha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Again, that's it. Thank you for today joining with me. We see you tomorrow. You keep on practice and finish with the Shashangasana, then Shavasana. Lay down Shavasana for a few minutes and conclude the practice. Okay. Have a good evening, good day. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.